The wind howled off the Salish Sea, carrying the scent of salt and pine as it whipped around the BlackCliff House. Perched precariously on a granite cliff 40 meters above the churning water, the house seemed to defy gravity. Built for a family scattered across continents, it was a beacon, a halfway point meant to draw them together. Inside, the home was a symphony of light and space. The architects, Mcleod Bovell Modern Houses, had taken their cues from the dramatic landscape. One axis stretched towards the breathtaking southwest views, while another plunged downwards, acknowledging the sharp drop to the sea. This interplay created a constantly shifting spatial experience. The heart of the house was a void, a deliberate cut that separated the upper floor's intimate sleeping quarters from the social areas below. The upper floor was designed for a small family unit. Here, bedrooms clustered together, offering a sense of closeness. Yet, the design cleverly allowed for expansion. Outer wings could accommodate larger family gatherings, providing additional sleeping space when needed. Despite this separation, a shared outdoor terrace ensured connection, allowing family members to gather under the vast Canadian sky. Life on the main floor revolved around a central circulation spine. This walkway, bathed in natural light, weaved through the house, connecting the various living spaces. Each space offered a unique experience. A painting room floated above a reflecting pond, blurring the line between inside and outside. A bamboo courtyard adjacent to the family room brought nature indoors. On the opposite end, an office provided a quiet space for work, while a tea room offered a place for contemplation. These courtyards, strategically placed, brought light and fresh air deep into the house, ensuring every corner felt airy and bright. Living in the BlackCliff House was an experience unlike any other. The familiar comfort of a home blended with a subtle sense of disorientation, a result of the interplay between the house's orientation and the natural world. It was a testament to the architect's vision, a space that embraced both connection and intimacy, all while celebrating the raw beauty of the wild Canadian coastline. The BlackCliff House is a truly stunning example of modern architecture that seamlessly integrates with its environment. We hope this glimpse into this unique home has inspired you. If you're interested in seeing more incredible houses like this, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think of the BlackCliff House. And for even more architectural inspiration, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.